All right, I have another Microsoft product for you today. This one being the Surface Laptop. I got the chance to unbox this last week, and I gotta say, I'm liking it so far. I've been using this along with my MacBook Pro as my primary laptops for the past 2 weeks, kind of switching back and forth between both of them, seeing their strengths and weaknesses. And for a $799 Core M3, 128 gig, 4 gig of RAM machine, it holds up surprisingly well to a $2,000 MacBook Pro. I gotta tell you, I'm really liking it. It's really thin, very sleek. It has that Alcantara covering on the keyboard, which is, I'm going to be honest, it's really strange. I'm still not really used to it. It's weird, but again, I mean, it's comfortable. It definitely feels different when you're typing. It's not going to be that cold metal surface that you get, but it is what it is. So here's everything in the box. You've got your power cable, you've got your no Microsoft sticker, little instruction book over here. The power cable in this is a little bit different. It does have the little box in the middle, but it's got a little USB port on there to charge your phone through it as well. It's not just a straight plug-in like on the Surface Pro. But it's a very sleek little laptop. Like I said, I've been using it a lot. I'm really enjoying it. And here it is in its nice little packaging. On the bottom, you can see it's got the 4 little rubber feet. Same sort of venting style like on the MacBook Pro. Again, it's a very similar design, which, all laptops look mostly the same now. But there you go. Microsoft Surface Laptop.